Hey there people, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to app clone in Samsung. The procedure is quite easy, so let's get right into it. Head over to your settings. Once we are there, scroll down and there will be an option of advanced features, and scroll down and there you will find an option of dual messenger. Head over there. Now these are the apps from which you can avail cloning on. Then you just need to turn it on, off which apps you want to clone. So I'm turning it off of Snap and just click on install, tap on confirm, next. Okay, it is currently being a second copy of Snapchat is installed, and head over to your main menu. And as you can see, here is the first Snapchat I had in my phone, and here's the second one with the orange circle in the bottom of it. So yeah, this is the clone one and this is my real one. And this is how you can just clone in Samsung phone. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.